Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your Philips Fidelio L4. So firstly, these headphones have controls right here to change noise cancellation. It have a button to mute and mute the microphone, or to call Google Assistant, or Siri if you have iOS. But also these headphones have adjuster, so you can just slide up to increase the volume, slide down to lower the volume, move it to the right to play next track, move to the left to play previous track, or double tap to pause the music. Now let's go to the application. I recommend to install this application to enable a lot of features here. And as you can see, there is ambient control, so now I put it on my head and I will show it to you. So this headset have ANC, and you can enable adaptive ANC, or you can go to the custom one and choose the best one for you. Also, it have awareness, so you can also manage it. You can change transparency level, you can enable vocal focus or enable adaptive. Also, you can improve your audio experience by change equalizer preset. So just go, open the application, go to the sound effects, and right here we have 4 preset. Bass boost, it's my favorite. And we can also create own preset in a custom one. So it's a good one also. Next one. These headphones have something like audio latency optimized. It's something similar to game mode, so if you play some games, I recommend to enable this mode. And next one, spatial audio. It's a 3D audio and I also like it, and you can enable it in the application. And of course you can change auto off mode. You can disable, if you don't need it, autoplay pause, or touch controls if you don't use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!